located near Wadlow, or 10 miles southwest of Hermitage, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and 3-inch hail. And listen for later statements. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hickory County, northern Dallas County, southeastern Benton County, northeastern Polk County, southwestern Camden County, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hermitage, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Pittsburgh, Urbana, and Lake Mean. Expected hazards include baseball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Palm de Terre Lake, Lake of the Ozarks, Palm de Terre State Park, Bennett Springs State Park, Hahatonka State Park, Pittsburgh, Hermitage, Urbana, Wheatland, Max Creek, Preston, Cross Timbers, Climax Springs, Lewisburg, Leadmin, Tunas, Pumpkin Center, Elkton, Branch, and Barnumton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for central and southwestern Missouri. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri: Benton, Camden, Dallas, Hickory, and Polk.